Firefighters' workouts exposed a shocking truth about fitness. Understanding the body's response to intense exercise is crucial for enhancing performance and minimizing illness in physically demanding jobs like firefighting and sports. Dr. Justin Teeguarden and Dr. Kristin Burnum-Johnson from Pacific Northwest National Laboratory conducted a study published in Military Medical Research, investigating how the body adapts to exertion. Dr. Teeguarden and Dr. Burnum-Johnson analyzed firefighters' blood, urine, and saliva pre- and post-exercise, uncovering proteins, fats, and molecules vital for body function. They noted tissue damage, energy use, and immune responses. Blood showed muscle strain and repair, with increased structural proteins. Fat usage shifted to shorter fatty acids, while sugar metabolism intensified, highlighting adaptability during exertion. The study of urine samples highlighted the body's efforts to retain water and nutrients, crucial for endurance and dehydration prevention, marked by increased hormone activity. Saliva analysis showed reduced inflammation-triggering proteins and heightened antimicrobial substances, indicating inflammation suppression while bolstering infection defenses. However, intense exercise may increase vulnerability to respiratory infections due to immune function changes. Dr. Teeguarden and Dr. Burnum-Johnson's findings enhance understanding of stress management during high-intensity activities. This knowledge enables scientists to devise better recovery strategies, boost performance, and mitigate health risks for those in demanding roles.